Get ready for a magical bonfire party night at traditional Hotel Carcion. Started from December 1st, 2024, to January 31st, 2025, for an unforgettable night under the stars. Enjoy grilled delights, savor our mouth-watering grilled chicken and chicken wings. Try special traditional bamboo momos in this evening. Bonfire night, gather around the warm flames and make memories. Open karaoke mic, sing your heart out and show off your talent. Starting price, at 999 Indian rupees per person. Hurry! Book now and make this winter season one to remember. Contact us to reserve your spot. Dial 9800277900.